Hello guys and welcome back. This is Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to access error log via your cPanel to check or to know where a particular issue is from or on your website. Okay, before I get started with this tutorial, make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing a 40% off discount code of your next web purchase on Harmonweb. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Amon web client area. I'm logged into mine. Then you can use the one-click login to log into your cPanel account. I'm logged into mine. Okay, so come on to the search bar and search for error. Okay, here you are going to see errors and error pages. Okay, you can check the error pages. As you can see the description, it says inform visitors about problems when they attempt to access your website. You don't need that. All you need is the errors here. Okay, view the most recent entries in the Apache error logs. That is what you need to access your error logs. Okay, so now great. This is good. It says that what there are no recent web server errors existing for my domain name. No error logs. If you have a particular error, or let me say there's an issue with your website coming from, let me say, your website script or WordPress or anything, it's going to display it here in the error logs where you can trace where your issue is coming from, either from missing files or broken links. So now the discount code which you are seeing displaying on your screen right now, this discount code saves you 40% off your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. Don't forget to use this discount code. Share to your friends who might be in need of this video or the discount code right now. Thank you and see you in the next video. Goodbye.